How to know if your PC is hacked or not. First, open the Windows search box, type Virus and Threat Protection, and open it. Then click on Scan Options. Here you'll see different scan types. Quick Scan checks the most common areas where threats are usually found. Full Scan checks your entire PC but can take a long time. Custom Scan lets you scan a specific folder if you suspect something. And Microsoft Defender Offline Scan runs before Windows fully starts and can detect deeper threats that may hide during normal usage. I'd recommend starting with a quick scan first. If it detects anything suspicious, then move on to deeper scans like Full Scan or Offline Scan. If everything looks fine, you can skip the longer scans. Now after that, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Inside the Processes tab, click on CPU to sort apps by usage. Check if there's any unknown or suspicious application using unusually high CPU. If you find something strange, you can right-click it and end task or uninstall it later. Do the same with the Memory tab too, and see if any unknown app is consuming too much RAM. Next, go to Startup Apps inside Task Manager and sort by Enabled. This will show all enabled startup apps at the top. Just check if any weird or unrelated app is enabled there. If you find one, you can right-click and disable it. And lastly, press Windows + R, type netplwiz, and hit Enter. This opens the User Accounts window. From here, check whether there's any unknown user account added to your PC. If you find one, select it and click Remove. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe.